Having a hard time removing your trimmer spool? You might need a new bump head knob assembly. The bump head knob assembly consists of a plastic knob with a captive bolt. The bolt holds the spool to the trimmer head, and the knob gives you an easy grip to tighten the bolt, as well as a surface to tap on the ground to feed more line. After years of use, the knob will wear down so the bolt is exposed. Maybe the knob has stripped out around the bolt and no longer turns the bolt when you rotate the knob. Or the bolt has rusted or seized the spindle, and you need to break the plastic knob off in order to put a wrench on the bolt. Replacing the bump head knob assembly is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
As I mentioned before, there's a number of reasons that the bump head knob assembly might fail. In this case, the bolt inside has seized to the spindle, and I can't remove the cap by just simply turning it by hand. So what I'm going to need to do is cut the cap off. And this is the same thing you need to do if the cap had worn itself out on the bolt inside, so the cap was just spinning without turning the bolt. So to cut it off, I'm going to use a fairly sharp chisel and just break through the plastic on both sides. Now that I've got one piece torn, I'll switch back to the wire cutters and begin to cut through the top. Okay, I've got one side pretty much cut all the way through. I'm going to spin it around, do the same thing on the other side. With a little luck, we'll be able to kind of fold the whole cap open. Okay, I've got both sides cut through. Now I'm going to use a hacksaw to cut through the top of the cap between the 2 points I've already cut. I'll just cut through until the hacksaw bottoms out on the bolt. Okay, looks like I'm all the way through. We found the bolt, and now we'll go back to the chisel to break it off the rest of the way. There, it snapped. What happened there is I got one side of the inner cap to snap, and that was enough for it to release. Now I can remove the bolt with a wrench. With the old cap removed, now I can go ahead and install the new one. And of course, this is just a matter of screwing it back into place. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.